you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Have a quick look what's on the board. There's two things. There's leek and butter. And today we're going to make the best leek you'll ever have. You can serve it as a starter, or you can serve it with meat, or many different kinds of ways. But I'm just going to show you how to make it, and we'll serve it plain, just with some butter on it. And you won't regret having watched this episode, because it's really fantastic. Now, before we get started, please do me the favor and click the subscribe button. Also check the little bell icon so that you get notifications when new episodes come online. But let's get cooking. It's going to be a short one. As I showed you already, we have leek and we have salted butter on the board. And that's basically it. Now we need a grill. So you can see our coal is ready. Now, these are smoked, these leeks, so we need some smoking wood as well. And then we put nothing on, we just put the leek on there, and then we close it. So this is what we're after. Our butter is melted. Our leek is nicely charred. Let's go inside and serve this up. So we charred our leek. Now it's time to serve it up. I cut off both ends. And then we put it like this on the plate. And now basically all we do is cut it up. And split it open. And for the butter, I still have my grill tongs because it's still quite warm. Just put a little bit in there like that. And just to decorate it a bit, we have some chive flowers. Nice taste and nice color. Now there we are, the best leek you've ever had. Now let's dig in. That's the nice thing. I mean, when you serve this as a starter, you can just serve it up like this. It looks quite nice, it's visually interesting. But if you want to serve it with meat, or like I show you in one of the next episodes with chicken, you just scrape it out and cut it up or do whatever you want with it, and then you don't show the burnt stuff. The smoky taste is amazing. The sweetness of the leek, the smokiness, the saltiness of the butter. Perfect. I promise you the best leek you'll ever have. Now, I don't take credit for this. I ate this, it was actually last weekend. It's an Austrian place, Mühletalhof, and it's a young chef called Philip Rachinger. And he cooks amazing stuff. And this was part of, we had like a starter mix of different dishes, and this was one of the dishes. And I thought it's so good, I have to remake it. And it really does go with, like if you're grilling meat or anything like that, this is the perfect companion. So do give it a try. Don't forget to smoke it a bit on the grill with some smoking wood. That gives the extra nice taste. Let me know in the comments what you thought of it. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the episode. If you stuck with me this far, although it was a short one, please click the thumbs up, give me a like. And if you haven't done so yet, click the subscribe button. But that's it for this short video. The best leek you'll ever have. Take care. Bye-bye.